Amazing benefits of Vaseline, skincare secrets you didn't know. Think Vaseline is just for dry lips? Think again. This little jar of petroleum jelly has some mind-blowing skincare uses you've probably never heard of. Stick around till the end, you'll thank me later. Apply Vaseline to your pressure points, like your collarbone, before spraying perfume to make it last throughout the day. You can also mix Vaseline with your favorite perfume and use that. Remove blackheads in order to get rid of oil-based impurities. You need an oil-based cleanser. Vaseline can be a substitute for that. Just take a small amount and apply it to skin, and cover it with plastic wrap. And put a warm towel on top, then take off the plastic wrap. The blackheads will come off with the Vaseline, but if they are stubborn, you can use a blackhead extractor to get them out completely. Lip scrub mix, Vaseline with honey and sugar for a hydrating lip scrub. To get plump and moisturized lips. Slugging whenever we sleep. Our body goes through a process called transepidermal water loss, which basically means that water is lost from our skin throughout the night if we want to lock in moisture so that our skin is plump and glowy in the morning. Apply some Vaseline on top of your skin after your skincare. You should do this at night, ideally 2 hours before going to bed so that it can absorb into your skin a bit, so that you don't get it on your pillowcases. Just for people with oily skin, I don't recommend it as a daily practice. Especially in summers, Vaseline is non-comedogenic. Means it doesn't clog pores, but you never know how your skin can react. So be careful with it, gua sha. You can use Vaseline to help glide gua sha on your face. For depuffing your face, also to prevent wrinkles. Eyebrow gel. You can use Vaseline to grow your brows and groom them as well. Apply a small amount of Vaseline with a spoolie on your brows to make them lifted. You can also mix some brown eyeshadow with Vaseline to make a tinted brow gel. Cheek tint mix Vaseline with aloe vera and food color, or beetroot powder for a rosy and natural cheek tint. It also gives you a glow, so you don't need any highlighter. Face mask. You can mix Vaseline with aloe vera to make a face mask. Apply it before going to bed and wake up with flawless skin. Smooth shaving before shaving your face. Apply some Vaseline to help the razor glide smoothly on your skin. Don't dry shave as it can cause wrinkles when you pull your skin. Cuticle care. Apply Vaseline on your cuticles or around your nails for healthy nails. You can also apply it before a manicure to protect your skin. Lip mask. You can apply a thick layer of Vaseline before going to bed. And then when you wake up in the morning, wipe it off your lips for plump and hydrated lips for the day. Under eye care, our under eyes are often the driest part of our face. You can apply Vaseline under your eyes to lock in moisture after you have applied the rest of your skincare. Before bed, be careful with this, however, because some people have different skin and can get some bumps under eyes, called milia due to Vaseline. It also helps greatly with fine lines. Highlighter Vaseline has a very natural glow. You can apply it on your cheekbones to get a natural highlight, or glass skin glow moisturized skin. In the winters, our hands can be extremely dry, so just apply a small amount of Vaseline to keep them moisturized. You can also apply Vaseline on your cracked heels and wear socks on top to keep them moisturized. Lip balm. Apply Vaseline to your lips to moisture them and fix chapped lips. It works better than any other lip balm and is the cheapest. You can use colored Vaseline if you want some color on your lips. Long eyelashes, you can use Vaseline to get long eyelashes. You can apply Vaseline with a spoolie or a clean mascara wand to your lashes before going to bed. Eyelash primer, you can also use Vaseline as an eyelash primer. Or you can also use it instead of mascara. Just curl your lashes with an eyelash curler and apply some Vaseline with a spoolie. Your lashes will hold their curl throughout the day. Body scrub, you can mix Vaseline with some sugar or coffee to make a hydrating scrub for your body. Just don't use it on your face, though, as it can be harsh for your face. Makeup remover Vaseline is a good substitute for a cleansing balm. It also breaks down waterproof mascara. It's gentle on the skin and is sensitive skin friendly. So next time you see that little jar, remember it's not just Vaseline, it's your all-in-one beauty savior. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful hacks. Comment below your favorite Vaseline hack or one I missed.